Hi guys, so today I'm going to unbox my new ps4 today. It's 500 GB edition. I'm getting also some free CDs with it. Gran Turismo, Uncharted 4, Horizon Zero Dawn. Okay, it's 500 GB edition, HDR and PSVR ready. Sony. And you can also download YouTube, Star Play, Win, Netflix. So first we are getting a controller. It's also having a light bar and a touchpad and some access HDMI cable. Some headphones so we can talk with our friends while playing. And some warranty cards and everything. And we got some plug to connect it. It's power plug. It's warranty card, this one. The new warranty card. And this is a charging cable for controller. So we can charge. And we are going to go ahead and get our CDs in there. We got one Uncharted 4 CD and Gran Turismo CD, which I was waiting for, and PlayStation VR. And then another CD is also inside, stuck. Horizon. One player game. And we are going to get our console. So we are going to get our console. Let me remove the packaging inside. Membership card. I removed the package thing because